Hello everyone, here I bring you 3 recipes of chicken diet for those of you who worked out. The ingredients are 900 grams of chicken breast, salt and pepper as required, these are the basic things, and then 3 teaspoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon mashed garlic and half teaspoon of dry basil. Divide the chicken into 3 portions and take the first one for lemon herb chicken. Using a knife, make slots like these on the meat. Do this on both the sides of the chicken breast. Usually, your coach might require you to avoid a masala recipe. These marinations will be perfect for such a recipe. Now here we sprinkle salt and pepper as required and sprinkle some lime juice also and apply it very well on the slots on both sides of the chicken steaks. You wouldn't need more than 2 to 3 teaspoons of lime juice for this particular recipe. You can do these marinations well in advance and just freeze the chicken. For storing the marinated chicken, you can use these Ziploc bags like these to be kept in the freezer. You can add the coriander leaves at this point of time or along with the other ingredients. Now this is set to go to the freezer. For garlic basil chicken, here I have used dry basil. You can also use fresh basil if that is what you prefer. Now if you prefer to cut down the chicken into pieces and then only do the marination, that is also perfectly fine. It is highly required to get creative like this, especially if you are on a diet that you do not love very much. So the marination here consists of only salt and pepper as required and mashed garlic as well as dry basil. Apply these on both the sides of the chicken steak and then that goes again into the Ziploc pouch or any container that you prefer to use inside your freezer. Meanwhile, I would like to thank all of you who have subscribed to my channel and supported me so much. Do let me know your feedback and any other suggestions for recipes that you might require from me in the comment section. The third easy marination is the ginger garlic chicken. Here all you have to do is sprinkle the required amount of salt and pepper and add ginger garlic paste to rub around the whole chicken steak. Repeat the process on the other side also. Now after the marinations, in this video I will be showing the cooking of only one of these. You just need to follow the same process for the remaining 2 marinations as well. Now my personal trainer tells me to consume only 200 grams of chicken on a daily basis. So usually after the marination I weigh the required amount and keep it in separate containers in the freezer. If you need the details for my personal trainer, I have provided the same in the description box below. He's done a lot of transformations, you can check that on his page on Instagram. Now that the marinations are ready, let's get on to the cooking part. Add approximately 1 tablespoon of olive oil on a pan and spread it across. Once it is heated, add the chicken steak. Fry both the sides for about 30 seconds each and then turn the flame to low. Let each side of the chicken cook with the pan closed with a lid and don't forget to flip in between. It usually gets ready in around 10 to 15 minutes time. Serve it along with quinoa or even brown rice or whatever your coach has asked you to eat it along with. That's all for today folks. Thank you so much for watching and wish you all a very happy Easter. Stay safe and stay healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.